Good morning, everybody. So it has been a crazy night. We filled up, I think it's like over 90 to 100,000. I don't know. I'm gonna say 1 million Orbeez because it looks insane. But check this out, you guys. We have a full-on Orbeez pool party for these kids going on, and it's gonna be awesome. They're gonna have so much fun.
And Liv just told me she wants an Orbeez pool party now for her birthday.
Yeah. We filled up this entire pool. Look at that, you guys. So many Orbeez. I can stick my whole hand in that. That is crazy. And then we've also got them these gifts. So they are waiting inside patiently. They've already eaten breakfast. We've already gotten ready. We kind of waited a little bit in the day because we were hoping the sun would come out. It's a little bit overcast, but we have a little bit of like warm water in the Orbeez so that they're not gonna freeze. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the girls. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go. All right.
We're getting ready.
Get your towels on. Let me see these two. Unicorn and an owl. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Mama, can I take my phone?
All right, guys. Look at your Orbeez pool party. Is that awesome?
Yeah, there's toys.
Go look at them. Check out your toys that we got you.
Wow!
What do you guys think?
This one, cat.
You love that cat?
Yes.
That is a unicorn. Let me see that. It's a unicorn popper.
Can't put it in there.
Liv, so it matches your, look, it even matches your,
Put the piggy in there.
that's so awesome. Match, you're all unicorned out. All right, you guys, are you guys ready to jump in that Orbeez pool?
Yeah! Hey, let's do it again. That's so much fun. Hey, you're gonna take your unicorn and your pig. You're gonna fill them up with Orbeez. Not too full though, because we need to make room for the ball. But as full as you want it. Hey, you need to make some of it not all of it. You want to make room for the ball. Cannibal. That's good enough. And then paypen, you're gonna take this ball We're taking this one. I take that one. Take the green. And then you're gonna put some more Orbeez in there for a little bit. Then put down a little bit. Then put it in there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze. It pops right out.
Well, I feel like it's nighttime because we have had such a fun and busy morning playing with all the Orbeez and everything. So the kids actually just finished eating lunch and they are now going to be taking a nap. Hopefully they go right to bed since they had such a fun morning. Did you have fun with the Orbeez?
Yeah, that was so much fun.
Are you tired now?
Yeah.
Okay, you got your baby?
Yeah, she's really cool.
What's your baby's name?
Liam.
Liam?
It's a boy.
Oh, it's a boy baby. Peyton, you got your baby? What's your baby's name?
Alright you guys, I actually am leading worship tonight at one of my favorite churches, Saddleback. And so I actually just got here. I'm gonna start rehearsal and then start service and get it going.
By your spirit I will rise from the ashes of defeat. The resurrected King is resurrecting me.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
We're playing Find the Rainbow Balls and Green Balls.
That's
Find the
pretty
ball.
awesome.
Mommy and Peyton's in the lead so far. Clear.
Orbeez all day. Oh my gosh, and the trampoline, you guys.
Oh, go jump on the trampoline again.
This is like turned into confetti because it's been squished and smushed by the jumpers.
Watch your stuff.
Wow. Good thing these Orbeez are biodegradable. I'm hoping they're just gonna like dissolve eventually. I actually also heard that they're good to like mix with soil because since they absorb water, they basically can like water your plants for you. I don't know, I was trying to read up on what you're supposed to do after. And she's playing the harmonica. Look at her pink shoes, her orange socks, her pink shirt, her blue and yellow sweater. You are just like a colorful rainbow.
Yeah. And I can get my own shoes on.
Alright you guys, I just wrapped up church and it was awesome, and now I am actually driving back to meet up with Natalia and the girls. They are at Surprise Surprise Chipotle.
Chipotle for dinner, and Liv is happy. Happy girl, because she loves Chipotle. You love Chipotle too?
I got a burrito.
Peyton, you love Chipotle?
Yeah.
I love Chipotle. Hannah loves Chipotle. Hanny loves Chipotle. You love Chipotle?
Oh, you know it.
You love Chipotle? The verdict is in, we all love Chipotle.
This is a message to Jeff. I miss you. I love you. And I bet your Orbeez video is going to be really good today. And I'm really looking forward to hanging out soon. And I like long walks to the beach. And yeah, you know, it's a good day. It's a good day to have a good day. You know what I'm saying? A good day to have a good day.
Alright you guys, we are going to end today's vlog and we hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and leave us a comment if you guys want us to answer any comments or questions that you guys have for us.
Tomorrow we're doing the challenge.
Tomorrow we are going to do some challenges. So you be on the lookout for some challenge videos coming. Natalia's actually with Hannah from Sly Fox, and they are going and getting a bunch of stuff. So it's going to be an awesome week coming up with awesome vlogs. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We will see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Whoa. We're glowing. Look at you guys.
This is like a top secret room in the fireplace.
Whoa, that's so cool.
It's like a
Maze?
So we just went through the fireplace and now we're in this like glowing room with everything is glowing. You can see all of our shirts and stuff, our fingers. Oh, I don't have fingernail polish, but Natalia's fingernails. Let me see your fingernails. Woo!
My teeth.
And your teeth and your hair even. It's hard to see it right now. Whoa, you look scary.